Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Sparckman and today we're going to be creating this Doom example in Gdevelop. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can download this from my itch.io page. This is the working file, and you can also download the completed file. Alright, so you can go ahead and download the example. Alright, so let's run this. Alright, so here is the example, and the previous video I show you how to add the weapon. Can just show you quickly how to do that, which is just a layer with the picture. Okay, if you double click on the weapon, you can see that it is just a picture. It's not a 3D object. Okay, same as the site. You can make your own site if you wanted to. So that's in this layer here. So if you take that out and you run this, you're gonna notice that it's pretty much the same thing. Now for the 3D view, this is just a regular 3D camera movement. Okay, so that's what we got. Okay. Alright, so let me click on the plasma bullets, which are just literally just 2 frames, an animated plasma cannon or something. Super simple stuff. Okay. Now these 2D sprites here are literally just billboards. Okay, if you make something 2D, a billboard is going to turn into 3D. Alright, let me go to events here, add a click event. If the user clicks button released, primary button, left button, we're going to literally just fire an object. Okay, find fire here. Don't forget to add a fire object to your object, and we're gonna create this from player. Okay, from the X position. Player.y. Okay, if your object was called bananas, obviously we had to be bananas.x and y. Okay, now let's select the object we're shooting. It will be the 2D sprite, the animated 2D sprite. Now for the angle, obviously we want the angle of the player. Player angle there. Okay, now again, if your player was called banana, you have to literally just use banana, that angle. For the speed, I got 1000 here. I think that's the fastest. I'm not sure. And let me try this. When you click, you can literally create thousands of these plasma green thingies. Okay, let me just change the elevation of the plasma bullets. First, let's just change the X position first. So for the X position, I'm just gonna go position here. X position equals the player. This is just to center the bullet. That X. Okay, and for the Y position, you pretty much do the same thing. You just go like Y. Make sure you change this to Y. And now when you run this, it's gonna look like you did nothing. Okay, except for that a bit more center now. Okay. Alright, so now we need to change the Z elevation of this. So select the sprite, and we're gonna find Z elevation. Okay. Now the C elevation is going to be equals the player dot 3D object, and we're looking for Z. Again, when you run this, you're gonna notice that not much changes, except for now when you jump, the Z elevation is different. So let me just add, I don't know, like plus 50 or something. Plus 50. And there it is. You can shoot in angles as well. Whatever angle, it doesn't matter. Just like the old Doom. Okay. Now for the let me just show you something here quickly. You can use the same logic as if you were making a 2D game. For example, if you go inside the object, if you go inside these objects here, you can see that they have two animations, one for walking, okay, and one for like getting hurt and stuff. All right. So for the collision, it's going to be literally just collision. And then select your object, the 2D sprite, and literally just change the animation. Change the animation to hit. And when the animation has finished, animation finished, just simply copy this, paste it, and change that back to the default animation. Super simple. Just like that. You can also add sound effects if you wanted to. Add a sound effect. Play sound. I'm going to create a sound here. It's not bad there. Try this again. Let me make that run only once. Only once when it loops. Try this again. Alright, try it again. You could add a sound effect when you shoot as well. Play sound, create a sound effect. That's not bad there. Alright, so that's it. I think you can take it from here. Okay, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye now.